Nilla here, and today I'm going to be recreating a very popular Instagrammable favorite, the Magnolia banana pudding. Since there are travel restrictions, it's going to be very difficult for us to get to New York to try the Magnolia bakery banana pudding. But lucky for us, there is a copycat recipe on the internet, and we're going to try making it. So let's get it, let's go, let's get bananas today because we're going to be making fan favorite banana pudding. Let's go. So I'm really surprised because this copycat recipe, you would think you would be making the pudding from scratch. You'll be doing a lot of things from scratch because that's what it tastes like. It tastes so homey and homemade and rich and thick. Nah, all the copycat recipes I've been seeing on the internet are semi-homemade, which means they're using boxed ingredients, which were kind of surprising to me, but kind of not. So this is what you'll need to replicate the Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. Aside from Nilla wafers and whipped cream and bananas, this is what you'll need. Believe it or not, we're gonna be using vanilla jello pudding mix and some sweetened condensed milk. Weird, right? There it is. Now, of course, the longer it sits in the fridge after you assemble it, the better. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't taste like packaged pudding. I think that condensed milk is a secret because it really adds a nice kind of like caramely, sweet, creamy flavor to that packaged vanilla mix. And then when you whip the whipped cream and you fold it into the vanilla pudding, it kind of makes it less sweet because the whipped cream isn't sweet, but it makes it nice and rich. This is pretty close. It's pretty close, like, yeah. I wouldn't say it's identical, but this is pretty good, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you like bananas like me, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys to the next video. Take care. Bye.